How to fix turn on professional mode grid out on Facebook in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open Facebook and then open your Facebook account. Now here you can see these three dots. Now click on it. And then here you can see turn on professional mode is grid out. And if you want to fix this problem, then here you can see the option unlock profile. Now click on unlock profile, and then here you can unlock your profile. Now click on unlock and then click on unlock your profile. After unlock your profile, then again open profile settings, and here you can see turn on professional mode is no more grayed out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.